Guys, what if I told you there's a spot on your body that, when massaged for just 60 seconds a day, can boost blood flow, ease tension, and improve performance issues that creep up after 50? This isn't alternative medicine nonsense. It's a technique rooted in centuries-old practices, now backed by modern science. I'm going to show you exactly where this spot is, how to massage it, which oils work best, and why this simple habit could transform your health. No pills, no appointments. Just a minute a day in the privacy of your home. Let's talk about what happens after 50. Blood flow slows, sensitivity fades, and things that used to work effortlessly don't anymore. Most guys accept this as aging, maybe relying on pills. But here's the deal. Your pelvic floor muscles, which control everything from urination to erections, get tight and weak with age. Blood vessels stiffen, nerves get compressed, and years of sitting and stress make it worse. The good news? A simple massage can help. This spot is called the perineum, known in traditional Chinese medicine as the million-dollar point. It's located between your scrotum and anus, right in the middle. This area is a hub for blood vessels, nerves, and muscles that power your sexual health and prostate function. Massaging it is like unclogging a traffic jam. Blood flows better, nerves wake up, and muscles relax. Here's how to find it. Sit on the edge of a chair or lie down with knees bent. Using your index and middle fingers, press gently halfway between your scrotum and anus. You'll feel a soft, slightly indented spot that might be tender. That's normal and means you're in the right place. Now the technique. Use moderate pressure, like checking a ripe tomato, and make small circular motions. 30 seconds clockwise, 30 seconds counterclockwise. That's your 1-minute routine. If circles don't feel right, try an up and down motion or a press and release pattern. Holding for 5 seconds, releasing for 5. The key is gentle, consistent pressure. No digging in hard. If it's painful, ease up. If you feel nothing, adjust slightly. Using oil makes this more effective and comfortable. Castor oil is my top pick. It penetrates deeply, boosts circulation, and reduces inflammation thanks to its ricinoleic acid. Warm a teaspoon in your hands first for comfort and better absorption. Coconut oil is great for sensitive skin, with antibacterial properties and mild hormone support. Black seed oil is another option, known for improving blood flow and testosterone, though it's pricier. For a blend, mix equal parts castor and coconut oil with 4 drops of peppermint or rosemary essential oil for extra circulation benefits. Stick to natural oils. Avoid lotions or petroleum jelly, which can irritate. Why does this work? First, it pumps fresh blood into an area slowed by sitting and aging, delivering oxygen and nutrients. Second, it stimulates nerves for better sensation and erectile function. Third, it indirectly supports prostate health, improving sexual and urinary function. Fourth, it releases pelvic floor tension, which can ease chronic pelvic or back pain. Plus, it activates your relaxation response, lowering stress hormones that mess with performance. Do this every morning or evening when testosterone is higher or relaxation is easier. Start every other day for a week to let your body adjust. Then aim for daily. 1 minute is enough. Consistency beats intensity. If you're planning intimacy, try it too. 3 hours beforehand to prime the system. Avoid overdoing it. Soreness means you're pressing too hard. Most guys see initial improvements in 1-2 weeks, with bigger changes after a month. Common mistakes? Being too aggressive, using no oil, or quitting too soon. This builds over time, like exercise. Use proper positioning, lying down or sitting comfortably, to avoid strain. Skin-to-skin contact is key, so do this privately, not through clothing. Beyond performance, men report better bladder control, fewer nighttime bathroom trips, less pelvic or back pain, and improved mood and energy. Some even notice better exercise performance, as the pelvic floor supports your core. To boost results, try deep breathing during the massage. Inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 4. A warm compress for 5 minutes beforehand helps tissues relax. Stay hydrated to support circulation. Make this a habit by linking it to your routine, after a shower or before bed. Keep your oil handy, like in your bathroom cabinet. Track progress in a journal to stay motivated. If you miss a day, just pick it back up. No need to overdo it. Here's my challenge. Try this for 30 days, 1 minute a day with good oil. Notice how you feel, not just in performance but overall well-being. This isn't a miracle cure. It's maintenance, like changing your car's oil. Your body deserves that care. The investment? A minute and a few bucks for oil. The payoff? Better function, confidence, and health. Share this with someone who could benefit, and let's get men talking about this stuff. Your best years aren't behind you. Take control with this simple practice.